Adverse possession is a term that gets thrown around a few times, but actually I don't really see it come into play that much recently. What it is, and there's requirements. It's basically if there's a property owner, two property owners, and one property owner takes property from the neighbor. And what that's happened, I think there's some requirements. It has to be open, hostile, notorious, and it has to be, there's a time frame, either 7 or 10 years, depending on what type of adverse possession. But essentially, if you put your fence on your neighbor's property for 10 years, mowed the lawn, looked like you paid the taxes, and you're using it, you would have a claim for adverse possession saying, I've used it for 10 years, therefore now it's mine. You can't do that with government property, so you can't just go move into a park, put a fence around it, and say, I've been here for 10 years. You can't take any government property, but they will let individuals take property from each other. Normally, where I've seen adverse possession come in is on larger tracts of land. After there's a survey, you'll see that there's a survey line showing what the deed shows what the property is, and then there's a second little mark on there showing like where a fence line is, and those can be up for debate. They're kind of a hassle, and it's not our area of expertise. That's something the title company or an attorney would help you figure out, but it is out there.